What's up, guys? Brandon here, carsalesmasterclass.com, and I have had a lot of requests to do a Craigslist post that is effective. So you can see that this is a post that I did a year ago, okay? And it's very short, simple, to the point. Take a look at it. You can see that 2014 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive limited edition. So short title, they're going to be able to see the entire thing. 25,991. Where is it at? It's in Knoxville. And then look at how clean this looks, okay? We're selling a pre-owned 2014 Toyota RAV4 Limited, all-wheel drive, only has 12,000 miles on it, and is priced to sell at 26,000. And I list the top 6 or 7 features or so. Come drive this beauty today. Financing available. Call or text Brandon, that's me, and this is a Google Voice number, okay? So you can set up a Google Voice number. If you're not sure what that is, Google it or search on YouTube for how to set up a Google Voice number. I recommend to use your area code, okay? And it doesn't matter what the rest of this is. Don't get an 800 or an 866 number. Get your area code. This is my area code, okay? And set it up so that when they call you, you see that it's a call from that number, okay? Because it's going to forward to your cell phone, but they're going to call this. So, for example, this is not my cell phone number, but this is going to go to my cell phone, okay? So I know that it's them, and I can answer the phone and say, Brandon's Used Cars, how can I help you? I'm calling about the 2014 Toyota RAV4. Great, when would you like to come see it? And etc., okay? Notice here, price, $25,991 plus, and I've got in here tax, tag, and dealer fees. And I also put not a buy here, pay here. However, less than perfect credit is absolutely acceptable because I want anyone that's interested to give me a call, okay? I also put on here a couple of tags. So when you're making the post, in fact, let's do a new post. I'll show you this real quick. So we're going to go and we're going to hit post to classifieds. And whether you're doing for sale by owner or dealer is what matters. Now we have high fees. We have a $495 dock fee, and we have a $249 etch fee, and on some cars we have a $795 owner protection fee. So we have high fees. So I always post it as a dealer. If you post as a dealer, then you are going to pay $5 per post. Now what I did, because I wanted to do that, I didn't want to post as an owner and people get upset when they realize that I'm at a dealer with dealer fees. That's why that is the number one reason why people do not want to go to a dealer, because they don't want to pay the dealer fees, okay? So if you're at a dealership that doesn't have dealer fees, post in either one, okay? I recommend that if the dealer will pay you the $5 per post reimbursement, which mine did, then to do by dealer, okay? But if they won't and you don't have high dealer fees, post by owner, it's free. So we're going to click that. We are going to go to cars or automobiles. Guys, I've not done this in a while. Cars and trucks. Here we go. See, by dealer, must be one vehicle, $5 per post. Okay? All right. For the title, you want it to be very, very simple, of course. Remember the other one. And I like for my post to stand out, but you don't want to look spammy. Okay? So 2012 Hyundai Veloster space super clean. And I may even put something, I want to put something that will attract the right person. So super clean and low miles. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. Put your price. Don't put 12,000. Okay, put 11,99. Whoops, put 11,99. Don't put 999 either. Put 991. Okay, trust me. Put wherever you're at. I'm in Knoxville, zip code. Now here's a trick, guys. Do not put your address. Don't put what dealer you're at. All right, you're doing the work. You want them to come and talk to you. All right, your posting body. Repeat what it is. This is a Hyundai Veloster for sale with only 28K miles on it and in great condition. And then maybe say something else, but don't do more than 1 or 2 things here. And then features, and then something. And do the things that people tend to tell you that they want or that they need. So automatic, heated seats, it has cooled seats, Cooled seats. This is a Hyundai Veloster. It probably doesn't. Cooled seats. Okay, what are some other things that we could put? Tinted windows? No, not good enough. Okay, not good enough to go on there. Navigation? Absolutely. Backup camera? Absolutely. Sunroof? If we can't think of anything else, yeah, I've got about 6 or 7 things, and then I'll probably put and more, and I'm probably going to put up here somewhere clean Carfax, no wrecks, all maintenance done on time. And so that's what I'll put for this right here. Okay. Again, super clean. We want somebody to be able to just glance at it, like it, decide to call you. So now I'm going to go down here, space again, call or text Brandon, and I'm going to put the number. I don't remember what it was because I've not used that number in a while. Very, very simple, easy to read. And underneath that, and we'll go back to my ad too, and you can screenshot and copy it if you want. Or actually, you know what I'll do, guys? I'll copy that and I'll put it in the comments. That way you can copy it and then just fill in the blanks. So you can change this, you can change this, the miles, you can change your title, etc. Now here, this is where Craigslist is going to populate it. So if someone searches for a Hyundai Veloster, you need to put this in. Okay, so this is a 2012 Hyundai Veloster. By the way, guys, a lot of the stuff I forget because I've just known it for so long, but you see I'm capitalizing the first letter of each word. Do that. It looks a lot better, more professional, easy to read. Notice how I do it with this, but not when I do an actual sentence. Okay? That's what you want to do. Don't put the VIN. Do put the miles, at least close to whatever it is. You don't have to put exact. This way, if somebody searches for under 50,000 miles, yours will pop up. English. And I go ahead and do this. Condition, I like to put like new, if it is. Okay? I'll skip that. Fuel, gas, title. Definitely put clean title, guys. Make sure you're putting the accurate transmission. Okay, and then I'm assuming cryptocurrency is not okay, but if it is at your dealership, then click that. And I do want to put by phone and by text. Okay, and this is an old email, of course. I've not used this account in a long time, but go ahead and list your phone number, list your name. Do not show on maps. Okay, the key to this, guys, all right, is for you to be the only thing that for you to be the only person that they can contact to get this car. Okay. So that being said, when we go to the next part and we're uploading pictures, okay. Oh, it knows this is a bullcrap phone number. There we go. I don't even know what number that is. There we go. When we go to images, use your own images, okay? Don't take pictures on a rainy day. You want the pictures to look good, okay? And you need to have at least 4. You need to have the front, the side, the back, the other side, okay? And try to go slow. If you have an iPhone, look up how to make it focus if you don't know. The first image is the one that's actually going to show, okay? So make sure the first image is the best one, typically from the front. Try to have pictures of the inside as well, and then you'll go done with images and do the rest. It's very, very simple, all right? So let's go back to the account posting here, and I want to show you that again. Go to all postings here, and let's look at a different one, okay? We looked at that one. Let's look at a 2008 Nissan Versa. How could you build value in a Versa on a Craigslist posting? Check this out. We have a local trade here. People that are going to spend $6,000, they want to know stuff like this. We have a local trade, an '08 Nissan Versa with automatic, perfect starter car, is simply a great car for someone on a budget. Who isn't these days with a smiley face? Wow, I already like this guy, whoever's posting this. Note, no paint fade on hood. That is frost in the picture. I couldn't get around. It was cold. I couldn't get around that not showing. So I put it there in big bold letters, okay? What features can I think of? This thing is stock. Base is what I meant to say. 4-star crash rating, consumer guide, Best Buy car, great gas mileage. What else could I put? Not much, but it looks great, right? Come drive, financing available. And look, all this, guys, is the same. You notice that? All this is the same. So I don't have to change this line. I don't have to change this line. I don't have to change this line. I only have to change the price, and I don't have to change this line. So I literally paste this in there. I change this, change these, and change that, and that's it. That's how you can get through these super, super quick, okay? And guys, look how good this looks, right? Especially with some pictures on here. It just looks really good. So let's go over a couple of things that are very important real quick. Number one, if you're going to post on Craigslist, put the price plus plus plus. Don't forget that plus 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 right there, okay? We're not into false advertising. Go ahead and say tax tag dealer fees in parentheses. The people that call you are going to be okay with that, or they're going to try to negotiate them off, but that's okay. All right, that is perfectly okay. Let them try. Go through your normal sales process. Okay. Um, when should you post in? I already know that the most common question is going to be when should you post in private versus dealer. Very simple. If you have dealer fees, you should post in dealer. Okay. And all you need to do is do what I did. Go to your pre-owned manager and say, listen, we're not on Craigslist. I would love to post 20 cars on Craigslist. It's going to cost $5 a car, which is only $100. And if we sell a few cars and make some money off of it, let's do it some more. So guys, you're asking for a test run. You're not asking them to commit to $500 or $1,000 a month. You're asking for $100. You're going to do the pictures, you're going to do the post, you're going to take the calls, you're going to set the appointments, you're going to close the deals. They will love that you want to take that initiative, okay? And I have a couple people who I'm helping out, and their dealership does not want them to post on there because they already post on there, and I guess that makes sense. But why not have all the leads humanly possible? Because remember, guys, we are not putting where this car is at. We're not putting the dealership name. We're not using the pictures that are on the dealer website that say where it's at, because why do all this work and then have them come in and let someone else get the sale, right? This makes sure that they call you specifically. And if you use the Google Voice number and you ever, go work at another dealership and you want to turn that one off, you can. And also when the phone rings or you get a text, you know that they are calling you about a car you have on Craigslist because you only use this Google Voice number for your Craigslist cars. Okay. So guys, that's the way to do it. If I left anything out, please comment below or send me a message on Facebook. I really want to be able to help you guys out. I really feel like this is my calling in life. I'm a millennial. I want to help out my fellow millennials. My mission is to help millennials make a really good income, over $100,000 a year, without getting into college debt, or at least without letting their college debt rule their lives. So again, thanks for watching. This is Brandon. I do have Car Sales Masterclass coming out, and I hope maybe by the time you're watching this, it's already out. And it is extremely, extremely affordable. I want everyone to be able to afford it and be able to get to whatever their income goal is, and hopefully that's around 6 figures selling cars. Thanks for watching.